Hi, today we are discussing about how to create a table partition and what is the use of table partition in Tableau, which is also called as LOD, level of detail. So basically I have created a table where the year, order date and segment are in columns and state is in row. So right now the data sum of sales is showing on set of year and segment and state. So every value is consuming three different level of design. So they are partitioned on three values: consumer, to 11 in Alabama. If we wanted to change it to only year and state, then I should be applying a table calculation. So they will change the level of detail which we are showing on the table. For doing that, I have to right click on sum of sales and go to the add table calculation. There are other way we can directly create a table calculation and provide the information from here. But instead of doing that, I am going to deep analysis and I want to check what is the add table calculation available. So the table calculation pop-up window is open. Uh, so dialog box is showing the calculation type, difference from, percent of total, rank percentile, running total and moving calculation. So if I wanted to give the sum say of sales for a particular data set, so I can provide that here moving calculation and set the summarize value using sum. Now I have to do the change and I have to provide the value from advance. Here I am seeing the partition and addressing field. I wanted to change it to partition only on state and year of order date. So I am changing segment to addressing. Now I am clicking OK, apply. Now I can see this value is changed and currently the partition of the data is on year and state. For verifying it, I am providing an additional calculated field which is containing the sales value. So this is not this will be using in the tooltip to only check whether our calculation is fine or not. This value is getting taking the sales, but it is not taking the calculation over it. So if I wanted to check here, I am seeing the sales is 2148 for consumer. For corporate, the value has been changed. It is containing consumer plus corporate value. So there will be addition of two values, and on home office it will be considering the consumer, corporate and home office value. So there are three values. Now in 2012 the value has been changed. So this is the way we can provide we can change the calculation of level of detail. So there are many options available, like moving calculation. If you wanted to check the difference from one value to the second value, I can directly create it. It will be providing me the change of difference. If I wanted to change it to If I wanted to check that percentage difference of values, I can go directly to the value and can change it to percent difference from. So it will be showing me the percent difference from consumer to corporate. If I wanted to change the level of detail to two different values, then I can provide the year of order date and segment in the addressing and partition only on state. So the value will be partitioned only on the value of states. Changing it to running total, moving calculation. So this will be the first value will be starting from consumer, and consumer value will be increasing. After consumer value, if you are wanted to check the corporate value is the addition of consumer, and the corporate value is of consumer and uh, corporate. So this is the way we can provide the change in the value. So value is only changing when the state is changed, otherwise the value is in running total mode. Whatever the value is, it will be changing, and whatever the year they are value, the value is changing. So home office, consumer and corporate. We wanted to correctly verify it, I have to change it to again back to change the level of addressing. So year of it will be changing only over a year. So the consumer value will be showing, will be calculating first. After that the corporate value is calculating, and then so on. Consumer, corporate, consumer, corporate, home office. So the value is calculated only on basis of the value. There are another way we can create the calculation by going to the calculated field. Here we are having an option of calculation. There we can provide a requirement whether we wanted to give any value or not. We are having index field and we are having a lot of it. So we can create a calculation over here and provide the level of detail. Fine. So this is the way we can create a calculation over the calculation. Thank you.